Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest kitchen gadgets that make your life easier. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the amazing 1300W KOIOS Centrifugal Juicer machine, the ultimate juicer for all your fruit and vegetable needs. In this video, we'll take a closer look at its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have addition to your kitchen. So, let's get started. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. This juicer is not just an ordinary juicer. It's a high-performance juice extractor that can extract the maximum amount of juice from your favorite fruits and vegetables, giving you a nutrient-rich and delicious beverage. Let me show you just how easy it is to use this juicer. First, we'll start by preparing our fruits and vegetables. The 3-inch extra-large feed chute allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting, saving you even more time in the kitchen. Now, let's turn it on. With just a push of a button, the juicer comes to life, and you can see it effortlessly extracting juice from the produce. The juice flows directly into the large capacity container, while the pulp is separated and collected in a separate container for easy disposal. The 1300W KOIOS Centrifugal Juicer's full copper motor provides powerful and efficient juicing, ensuring you get the most out of your ingredients. Its durable and corrosion-resistant 304 titanium-plated steel filter ensures that you only get the purest juice, free from any pulp or residue. Cleaning up after juicing can be a hassle, but with the KOIOS Centrifugal Juicer, that's a thing of the past. Its innovative design allows for easy disassembly and cleaning, saving you time and effort. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more juicing tips, product reviews, and healthy recipes.